That shit. I can't even get up. Yo, this is Chris.hustle, and we here with.
And I'm my dog.
And we're doing a fitness challenge. So we'll be choosing 5 exercises, going back and forth. We'll see who does the most reps. Whoever wins the challenge doesn't have to eat a habanero pepper. The loser obviously eats the habanero pepper. No food, no water, no nothing.
You already know I ain't eating that. I definitely not eating that, dog.
So let's go to the first exercise.
Oh no, bro.
All right. I think I'm gonna choose push-ups first.
Push-ups.
You know.
I swear you should do dips.
Nah.
Dips first.
I'm trying to tell you, bro.
Okay, I warned this man do dips. All right, so bro's gonna do the push-ups. You already know.
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck, my back.
We're gonna see how much he can do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40. Come on, where's the 50?
All right, 45. Right?
Why does this man have to do so much?
Cause I cannot eat no pepper.
Why did bro have to do so much?
Now, it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You can do only 46. Is that count? Is that 45 and a half? I don't know.
That counts.
Mine went down, mine never came back up. We'll see. Well, you were at 45, mine went down, mine never came back up.
Oh!
No, we'll flip a coin at the end and see who won that one. You're choosing.
Dips.
Dips?
Yes.
All right, you chose, you go first.
What do you mean? I just went.
All right,
Man got fresh.
I bet.
Man got a whole rest. Man trying to teeth the whole game, bro. I see what bro's trying to do. All right, let's see the dips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12!
I'm so for the push-ups, man.
Bro, well, this man did 45. I don't know why bro set the bar so effing high already.
I can't lose, but I rinsed myself ready, so it's all right. Record to beat, 45 dips.
45?
I'm joking.
Man said 45 like he did 45, bro. You hear it, bro? You see the man still trying to teeth the game. Oh my God. Yo, okay.
Don't hate the player, hate the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Yeah, boy. 12 is the beat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little light right here, you can see how deep I go compared to him. All right, go lower. What's going on? 10, 11, 12. One more. 13, 14, 15. All right, so he won the dips, you know. I let him win that one.
Tie on push-ups, dips. I win, you already know.
All right, so we doing hands, you know what I'm saying? So side by side, whoever sits on longer, you know how it goes.
Let me put down my arms. You already know I'm about to cry, bro. The teeth, the dips. Literally talking about he did 45. Okay.
Hey, I'm ready whenever you are.
No, there's no advantage. Taking mine off too. Might even take off all my clothes too.
What did he say?
Oh, advantage.
Gay advantage. Anyway, you want man to see you? It's fine.
Just blur it out.
Yes, sir.
Man, my hands got too sweaty, bro. I'm done.
Oh,
Look at my. Yo, you think I'm lying?
I call this side though.
Clap.
This guy was so smart. Starts us to a next type of hang.
Dead yet?
No, I'm chilling.
Alright.
My back is cracked. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, my hands are killing me.
I felt that.
Bro, all the pain are in my hands. I don't even feel the forearm pain, bro.
But I felt it in my back. My back. I was going like this.
Oh my god. Oh, last day.
Well, he got that one. So what? It's 2-1 for you, right?
Wait, this one's a part. Ah, shoot.
Oh, can't open my hand all the way. You tell him what we're doing, and we done it.
All right, guys. So this last workout we're going to do is who can hold the longest wall set. Of course, we already did like 3 different types of holds, but you know what? Why not end it off in another ultimate and boring hold? So, wall sits. Let's go. All right, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's starting to burn now. No.
I said I never moved my body, bro.
Why would you move?
I was slipping down, so I moved. Whoever makes it first wins the push-up. So you go first. It's just
Whoever makes the bottle flip first.
yeah. Well done.
All right, guys.
Try. You professional back in the day.
Man, cheating, bro. Man did not have the same level of water.
Give me the freaking win.
I say do a bonus round to decide it.
Alright, bet. So as you guys know, mine already won, but he said bonus round.
Bonus round, bro. All or nothing.
Alright, so what? So this is your official one then. So if you get less time than last time.
No.
It's do or die right now. So if we do it again.
Yo, let's not try to every way to mash me up. Okay. Do or die.
Yeah.
I might just sleep here for a good power nap, 15-minute power nap, bro.
No, you're done your exercise. That's just me. You give me more time to recoup my energy.
That's all, bro. Get up. Well, the next one. You're ready. Are you ready?
See, the thing is, man, I'm smart with it.
I said he's smart with it. Okay. Okay, I want to see if bro can do it while he's doing it. Because it's a lot different from talking right now to actually doing it when you're realizing your lungs is literally collapsing on its effing self. Yeah.
I do it once. I did it 3 times.
Yes, this man's cheating. Like the start of the. Let's see the gap. No gap. Oh, wait, I'm using it much harder. I just have to lose more energy. Okay, the shaking is already begun. As you see, muscles spasming. Now we're at the phase where bro's holding his breath. Your man, it bun. I know it's burning up. Yeah, man thought I was being extra. I ain't hell no, I wasn't being extra. That shit. I can't even get up. Man, really thought I was being extra. Hey, I was not being extra. Everything you see was true.
Hey, but hopefully I got a longer time than you.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Who knows?
So obviously you man lost.
Whatever, I'm done. What the frick is this? God damn.
No, this wrong. But you know, obviously I won the winner takes all, so I ain't gonna eat no pepper.
No, technically, bro has to eat the pepper. We're gonna make him eat it, no cap.
We're on the way to the grocery store, go pick up the pepper, the care package, and I'll give you the 4K action of this guy chomping it live. See, but we got the
could have got the infinity truck.
killer,
His life would have been fine.
the Carolina Reaper pepper, and the Scotch bonnet pepper, and we also got the loser.
Whatever, bro. Man, you already know man cheated. Countdown. Man's got to bleep that out.
Take the drink. Drink it.
Why is this the drink?
That's a drink. Just drink it out. I'm gonna give him a minute until somebody starts wanting water.
Gotta get all the seeds out my mouth. Out my teeth.
So to catch up to you now, I can see it in your eyes now. It's over.
Work it, pump it, ayy, pump it, ayy, pump it. Work it, ayy, pump it, ayy, work it. Pump it, ayy, pump it, ayy, pump it, ayy, ayy. First it burns. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. Shit burns. But the more I eat it each time, every time this man brings up this challenge, it gets lighter and lighter. I can't lie.
All right, so the one chip is next, then has to be.
Piss off.
Anyways, that was the video. He kind of took the pepper a lot better than I thought, but hope you guys liked the challenge. Obviously, next time I'm gonna do a harder pepper, but if you guys want to do something else, a harder pepper or a different type of fitness challenge, let me know. We'll do it next. Put it down in the comments, and we out.